Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify build an app for FAQs using Gorgias and no-code, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin building your FAQ app using Gorgias, access your Gorgias account. If you don't have an account, visit the Gorgias website and create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Automations tab on the left sidebar. Click on Automations to open the automation settings. Select New Automation to start creating your FAQ flow. In the new automation window, name your automation for easy identification. Choose a trigger for the automation, such as receiving a specific keyword in a message. Next, define the condition that must be met for the automation to activate. Set the actions that follow, such as sending a predetermined FAQ response. Now, gather your frequently asked questions and their answers. Type out the questions clearly and concisely. Make sure the answers are straightforward and informative. Once you have your FAQ content ready, return to the automation setup. Add these FAQs to the actions of your automation. You can format the responses for clarity and professionalism. Consider adding links or additional resources if necessary. After configuring the automation, save your changes. To test the automation, use the test feature within Gorgias. Send a test message that triggers your automation. Observe the response to ensure it meets your expectations. If adjustments are needed, revisit the automation settings. Make any necessary edits to improve the response quality. Once satisfied, finalize your automation setup. Now, integrate your FAQ app with your preferred communication channels. You can connect it with live chat, email, or social media platforms. Monitor the performance of your FAQ automation regularly. Check how users interact with the responses you created. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.